Good morning, traders. Welcome to our live trading session. We're gonna start in a minute. Just let me know if you can hear me, if everything is good with the sound. Hello, guys. How are we doing today? Yeah, I'll double check, but everything should be okay. All right, guys. So let's start from microeconomic calendar, of course. Hello, guys. Hello. I'm looking at forexfactory.com. As you know, before each session, we need to check microeconomic calendar to check if we got any high impact news. On Forex Factory, we are looking at red folders. Red folder means it's high impact news. So in the morning, we had some CPI on GBP USD. Hour ago, we can check if there was any activity. 1 second. I think that was, yeah, this one here. 14 pips up and a little bit down. Not much. Not much. Rest of the day is looking good. We got some 230. We got some durable goods orders, but these are marked as medium impact, so doesn't really matter for us. We shouldn't expect, huge impulses during that time. Probably not. Later on, 8 p.m., guys, we got FOMC meeting. This is very important. This is marked as high impact news, but it's most of the time it's very important if it's related to interest rate decisions in United States. Today we don't have interest rate decisions. It's just FOMC. So of course we need to be careful because we don't know if the market moves suddenly or not, but I wouldn't worry too much. Anyway, before 8 p.m., I will close all my positions anyway. So that is late evening. And guys, it looks like it's a good day for trading. Not too much going on in our microeconomic calendar, so we can move straight to our charts. Okay. Straight to our charts. All right, we can start basically from our all-in ASAP strategy, so we can look for some daily targets. But before we do that, I want to have a look at crude oil, because in my opinion it is quite interesting. Yesterday we had some strong impulses going down, quite big move from top to bottom. It's around 217 pips, quite a lot. Okay, and we can see the price stopped somewhere at the support resistance zone, and basically we are in the zone. Okay, so we got two options. One, we can see continuation of this move, but we can see the price going back maybe to this imbalance. We will see. The area where the price is right now is quite important. I'm gonna move to 5 minutes time frame because I want to check something. 5 minutes time frame, we can probably find some kind of small rotation channel. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, we got small rotation channel, and basically we bounce from the bottom of this channel twice, and we are breaking through this, support resistance zone. So basically, I can see opportunity to open the trade on this asset with the stop loss and take profit. Not sure, probably we will have to go for 1 to 5 like this, because I want to get to the top of this rotation channel. The only thing what can block me right now, we are in some kind of support resistance zone as well. This one here. So probably we're gonna wait for the price to break through, maybe retest, come back to this imbalance, and after reaction we're gonna try to enter the trade. Maybe stop loss will be a little bit smaller because I would like to get like 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. 1 to 1, not really. I don't like it. 1 to 1. So we can wait for the price to break through because this area can stop the price, and we can, if we're gonna open position now, there is a chance the price will drop. Okay, so I want to see the price breaking through this area. I want to be on the other side. Maybe there will be reaction at 50% of rotation channel because it's working, guys. You can see we had some reactions in the middle, so there is a chance we're gonna get here. We're gonna wait for pullback, and then we're gonna have a chance to open the trade, and we're gonna try to use it. Okay, target will be the other side of this rotation channel. This can be good. We're gonna look for some other confirmations, maybe volume levels, but we need to wait a couple minutes because first I want to see the price breaking through, and then we're gonna try to do it. Okay, so we're gonna make this plan in the second, but this can be pretty good trade, I can say. Maybe even 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, anyway, first let's check our daily targets. Euro USD. So guys, we got our basic strategy all in ASAP. Very simple. We're just looking for the targets, and we got few different options because first option is to look for the standard targets. From the previous day. Okay, standard targets previous day. But also we got second option to look for targets from different hours. Unusual targets. Okay, so we can check that on a daily basis, and we're gonna start from the standard targets, and then we're gonna finish on unusual targets. Okay, let's start from Euro USD. So I want to check first our basic targets. 1 second. We have target which is down the bottom, guys. It's around 20 pips away, Euro USD. So maybe we can use that target. We're gonna check for the clusters. I thought we're gonna have a cluster here. That would be great trade for reaction. Okay, doesn't matter. But we can also check market structure from 4-hour time frame, and we need to look at the latest swings. Okay, so we were moving down here. Got swing high, swing low. So basically here we had a break of structure. The price was moving up. Come on, break of structure. This is 4-hour time frame. And then we had a swing. The price was going down, but we didn't break through this swing right here. So basically, we are still in bullish market structure. Maybe this is the latest swing, guys. Right here. So we are still in bullish market structure from 4-hour time frame. But anyway, I'm gonna look for possibility to open the trade to get to this target from lower time frame, and don't want to do it from 1-hour time frame because we will have to wait 1 hour for the candle to close. I know this candle closed under, but we need to check a few other things also. Very important is to check if we are in any support resistance zone. Okay, support resistance zone we can use in every single strategy. It helps us to make the right decision, to avoid stop losses, and also this area can work as our stop loss. So if you place stop loss under or above this kind of area, it can save us from losing money. And I've got area here. You can see the price was reacting 2 times because after breakout there was reaction, and we are going down. There was reaction as well. The price went through, back up again, and we are retesting this zone. So there is a chance we're gonna go up. Okay. If we're gonna stop in this area. So I'm gonna zoom it a little bit in. Let's check what is the pullback at this moment. The price stopped at 50%. Perfect. Perfect, guys. This is 50%. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this. So we might have a chance to go up. Yes, guys, to go up. We had strong impulse. The price got into imbalance zone right here. We still got some imbalance down the bottom, but we're gonna check that in a second. Let's move to 5 minutes time frame. And this target, which is lower, I can consider that, but first I need to wait for the price to break through and retest the support resistance zone from higher time frame. Okay, even if I'm gonna have like 20 pips, it's okay. I can place my stop loss for 10 pips. It will be okay. So what's next? What's next? We can check a few other things. First of all, we can check volume levels. Why not? Volume edge. Open. Okay. There is volume level down the bottom, but nothing close by. There is one here, but okay. Doesn't matter. So let's remove that. Let's check fixed range volume profile. I'm gonna check yesterday impulse. Like this. Okay, nothing interesting. Maybe down the bottom here. I think there was some kind of volume level in this area. Let's have a look. Not sure, but I think it was there. Volume level, volume edge. Okay. Yes, just a little bit lower. So maybe if the price will drop, we'll look at this area for small long position, but we can leave it for now. I'm gonna leave it for now. And also we can check one more thing, because if I want to go up, if I want to use this support resistance zone and want to go up, we need some target, of course. First of all, we can do it like this. 7 a.m. Okay. No, this one is done. Properties. Let's check 9. We still have target here, but this is too close, guys. Okay, this is too close. So what can we do right in this place? We can also check Asian session. Why Asian session? Because we got some liquidity on both sides of Asian session. We look at the previous days. Look, guys, when the price is entering liquidity zones from Asian session, we can expect that the price will go to the other side. Okay, it's happening every single day. Liquid zone, the price is going up. Liquid zone, price dropped. Liquid zone, price drop. So it's happening every single day. Okay, so why not to use it? We are in support resistance zone. This is nice. There was imbalance from higher time frame, and we can try to go up. I'm gonna remove this target because it doesn't matter for me anymore. Sometimes all we need is just a simple trend line. Okay, for me it would be better if we had something like this: price go up, down, so I can move my trend line, resistance line, let's say resistance line like this, and we're gonna have better entry maybe into the position, and we're gonna try to go up. We can try to get to the other side of Asian session liquidity, but probably we're gonna try to use it for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so we can see the price is reacting. Let me just check if I can make trend line like this. Probably yes. Okay, too much going on this chart. I'm gonna move to Euro USD. Sorry, guys. Asian session. It's gonna be more clear for you. All right, inputs. We don't need this. 939. All right. So first of all, we got Asian session box, and we have some liquidity on both sides. We entered this area, and we can see reaction. Okay. So this is our liquid pool, and on the other side also there is liquid pool. And the price move often from one side to the other side, and from the other side we can expect the same thing, guys. Same thing. So we got trend line right here at this moment, but it's a little bit high, I can say. We got reaction at 50% of FIBO. So I'm gonna put this here. This is 50% of FIBO. Okay, we got reaction at 50% of FIBO. Let's have a look just to make sure. Yes, 50% of FIBO. Nice reaction. Good. So, where to enter the position? Probably it's gonna be better for us to wait for the price to break through, retest, and then to try to go up to the other side because this impulse, we got some imbalance. So there is a chance the price will get here and then we drop. Okay. If you look at this area, this is some kind of support resistance zone right here. Okay. So I want to be on the other side. Maybe something like this. I want to be on the other side of this support resistance zone. Okay, I'm gonna make it smaller, more precise. Good. So yes, we can also check volume levels, but I think I've checked. Okay, we got volume levels checked. All right, one more thing. Maybe. Okay. Now I know everything. Whoa, what's going on? So let's wait, guys, for the price to break through basically to the other side. Do we have any rotation channel right here? Yes, we do have a rotation channel. So this is not only our trend line, but we can see the price is moving in some kind of bearish rotation channel. So before we're gonna decide to go up, we need to check a few things, you know, we need to break through this area the best if we're gonna break through this channel, because the price might go up now here and maybe we're gonna drop. Because remember, we are in bearish rotation channel, okay? And so this is pretty important. We need to be patient, guys. Sometimes we need to wait for the perfect moment to enter the trade. If you enter too early because you know the price is moving, you will see nice candle and you will think, wow, we are going up. You're gonna enter the position and then boom. Oh no, we don't want to do that. We need to make sure, so we need to check a few things. First thing, liquidity zone checked, okay? We got reaction and liquidity zone. Not too bad, I can say, but we still under the support resistance zone. We got some imbalance, and this can push the price down. And to be honest, it's gonna be the best option for us to wait through or the breakout through this rotation channel. These setups are working pretty well, I can say. And sometimes, you know, we got chance to enter a position much lower. Here it's gonna be a little bit high, but it doesn't matter, guys. It's better to wait. Okay, maybe on different asset we're gonna find also similar situation, so we can use it. At this moment, I don't want to enter the trade. This price is under exponential moving average. Okay. So we're gonna come back to this one after maybe a few minutes. I don't know, probably more. Maybe after our session, we're gonna have a chance to enter this trade. So let's move to the next one. Here, nice liquidity grab, guys. Look at this. But that was during the news, okay? And now it's hard to use it because if I'm gonna place the trend line resistance line right here, it doesn't make sense because we're gonna be close to this side. So GBP, I'm gonna leave it probably unless we got any target from our strategy. Let's have a look. This only panel. This target is already done. We can also check the standard targets. Let's have a look. Okay, let's move on to 1 hour time frame and let's check it out. There is target which is down the bottom, guys. Do we have a chance to get there? Of course, we do have a chance. Indicators, this volume edge. Delete. Any clusters? No clusters. Okay, so we can see the price is we stuck in the range basically. Okay, one more thing. Yesterday, guys, I don't know if you remember, during our live trading session, I was talking about this liquidity zone because I've opened a trade somewhere here, I think on its volume level, and I hit stop loss, and I told you I'm gonna look for this liquidity down here to enter the trade. And I did enter the trade, but I didn't do it on this account which I'm using for live trading sessions. I did it on the other account, but the setup was simple. I was expecting reaction in this area, so I just used a simple order flow to enter the trade. I had two options. First, look for the order flow or look for the fail swing. Okay, and enter and after fail swing. But we can see that the price went straight up. Okay, so I used order flow to enter the trade and I got all impulse from bottom to the top. So basically, I've entered the position, long position, after this candle right here. I nearly hit stop loss because the price came back. And I think I closed position 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. So it was, just double check, close position, GBP USD, open price 35081. 35081. Enter the position right here. Stop loss, I moved stop loss, so not sure now, but I've closed the position 35650. No, 35581. Look at this trade. 421. Yesterday. So yeah, sometimes it's worth waiting to open the position. And guys, I think for the first time I've opened the position on one of these accounts using my phone. I never do that. I don't like trading on the phone, and I do not recommend trading using your phone. But yesterday I was waiting for this situation, and I was going back home, and this happened. So when I was waiting in the traffic, I've opened this position using my phone. So for the first time, and you know, this worked perfectly. So that setup, that plan we made yesterday, basically. So 2 options for entry, and the order flow usually is working very well in areas where we expect reactions, guys. All right, let's go back to our analyze. GBP USD. Where are we at? We are at some kind of support resistance zone right here. And we stopped. Okay, we stopped. I can say we are moving in rotation channel, but yesterday the price, you know, went through this rotation channel. So we got plenty of space to the other side, basically. But we have targets at the bottom, and the market structure at the moment is bearish. So we can look for the trade to go down, probably. I'm gonna move to 5 minutes time frame. And this is quite important zone, because if we're gonna break through and the price will stay on this side, we have a chance to go higher. Okay, but even if the price will drop, we need to be careful at this area, because this is liquidity zone. So we can mark that on the chart. That's the place where we can be stopped. Template sell side liquidity. Yes, this is some liquidity zone, and this is also bottom edge of rotation channel. So they can grab some liquidity, and that can be trigger for buyers. Okay, so we need to be aware of this trade. Of course, we got some Asian session liquidity, and look at this. This is also Asian session liquidity. So, in my opinion, we can look for the trade basic buy. If the price will enter this area of liquidity, this one here, this is our liquid pool. If we're gonna enter this area and we're gonna bounce from this rotation channel, probably we're gonna have a chance to go up. So basic buy, yes, maybe we're gonna add a simple resistance line, trend line, and I'm gonna try to go up. What was the trigger? What was the trigger for that order on GBP USD? Volume footprint. First of all, I was expecting reaction at this area, because this is liquidity zone and the price was moving down all day. Look at this impulse. Very strong impulse, so they had to stop somewhere. Liquidity zone is the great area, especially if we are after strong impulses. And from 5 minutes time frame, my trigger was volume footprint. One of the patterns, okay? We got 2 patterns which are working great in support resistance zone, in point of controls, in liquidity zones. If we see specific pattern using order flow, we can enter the position. And basically, I've entered right here. And that was level, once again, 35081. 35081 here. I've opened basically lower, but you know, spread moved my position a little bit higher. So yeah, just the volume footprint and liquidity zone. Easy setup, guys. And to be honest, I didn't expect we're gonna go straight up. I thought we're gonna go up, down, you know. And I was ready to leave that position overnight. Okay, because after some kind of move, I think with 1 to 2 risk to reward already, I moved the break even, and I was thinking, okay, if there will be retest, I'm gonna leave it for the night, because I was expecting we're gonna go higher. But I didn't have to do that, because 4 to 1, I've closed the position, and that's it. All right, so let's add plans to our trading journal. So first of all, this one here. Look, the price dropped again. So we got some liquid pool, okay. we got reaction at 50%. Now we can add the trend line, guys, but it can be a little bit tricky because we are under the support resistance zone and the market structure is bearish even from lower time frame. So I'm not sure. So I prefer to wait. Okay. I know we got this nice trend line, but after the breakout, we can wait for the price to retest. Sometimes when a trend line or resistance line is looking like this, I do not expect the price to retest it. Okay. Because it would have to look like this. I don't wait for this kind of retest. If the line is, like this, I can expect retest because usually it looks like this. But in this situation, what I'm doing, I'm usually using some kind of support resistance zone, but this support resistance zone usually are current ones from lower time frames. So this is some kind of support resistance zone, and I can do something like this, but we got another support zone, and this is more important than this one, and this can block me. So on Euro USD, maybe we're gonna have to wait till later, maybe afternoon. Later on, after the breakout, we're gonna look for the trade to go to the other side of liquid zone. Okay, so I'm gonna make a screenshot. I'm gonna wait for that. If we got plan, we don't have to use it now. We can use it later. S&D, no, this is smart money concept. This is basic buy setup. Okay. Okay, let me just create folder. This today is 18th of February, and this is Euro USD. Basic buy. All right, so we got one plan here. GBP USD also, it's looking good because this is bottom edge of rotation channel from higher time frame. This is some liquidity zone, and we got some support resistance zone, but we're gonna have plenty of space right here. Okay, so this GBP USD for me is looking a little bit better than Euro USD, because if we're gonna drop down, this is liquid zone from Asian session and bottom edge of bottom edge of rotation channel. So after reaction, we can try to go up basically. Not sure if this trend line will look like this. We need to be flexible, so we need some more information, and we're gonna move it. It can be like this, it can be like that. So later we're gonna move it, but I want to look for something like this, and then I can enter the trade right here. Depends. We can make stop loss like this or like that. This one is more safe, and we can go to the other side of liquidity, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And this setup is looking good, but the same, we need to wait because you can see the price is moving now in some kind of range. This is like a battlefield. Buyers and sellers are fighting, and we need to wait to see who's gonna take advantage on the market, and after that we're gonna look for the trade. So I'm gonna make a screenshot, and we're gonna add that also to trading journal in the second. GBP USD basic buy. All right, maybe there will be better situation somewhere here. We are in liquidity zone, and here also. So guys, maybe we can use USD CHF or USD CAD. Let's have a look if we got any targets. There is target, but it's closed. What about USD CAD? USD CAD is also done. Okay, doesn't matter. And just gonna quickly check gold. Oh yes, guys. On gold, we got nice target with the statistics. I don't have statistics here, but if it's from 2 to 9, yes, it is. No, not. Yes, it is from 2 to 9. It's more than 80, I think 82 or 85% chances that we're gonna get here today. So all we need is to wait for the price to make some pullback, maybe to pullback zone to one of the feeble levels, and then we're gonna try to get to this target because the price is moving up. So we are not trying to open the trade against the trend. We want to follow the trend, but we need some pullback because we need some space to open the trade. Okay. Let's have a look. Price stopped at 23.6, but this can be nice pullback zone for us. Yes, David, yes. This can be a very good option. Yeah, we can use price action later on probably. But yes, we can use price action strategy later. Or if we're gonna get to 38.2, I think it's a good area, a good level, because this is quite strong. So when we got a strong impulse like this, I'm not expecting the price to drop to 61.8. Usually the pullback is smaller, so maybe you're gonna have reaction here or 50%. Let's check volume, fixed range volume profile. If we can find any place to enter the trade. Maybe you're in short position. Good, yeah, because there should be pullback. So basically, yeah, it can work. Oh, guys, now I know everything. Now I know everything. This area right here. I'm gonna remove that pullback and this area. We can set 2 orders basically, because if this area won't work, we're gonna break through, this area should work. So we can set 2 orders, 1 and 2. The risk to reward for this trade will be 1 to 5. So I don't mind even hit the stop loss here and here take profit. I don't mind. Okay. So we're gonna set 2 orders. As another confirmation, we can check. Sorry guys, let me just remove it. We can check volume level. This area is very nice because it's 38.2. Volume levels. Volume edge. Nodes. This indicator is fixed range volume profile. It's gonna be available for you guys very soon. We're just waiting for the license. It's gonna be available for you, so it's gonna be in advanced tool options. Okay, any volume levels? No, we got one here, but it's lower, so I don't care about this level. So we don't need those volume levels. Indicators list, volume edge, close. Good. Let's set pending order. I can see that crude oil went through and it's retesting this area, what I told you. So maybe we're gonna enter the trades in a second. At break of resistance, we just need a reaction, guys. Best if I can find confirmation from volume footprint. The best entries. Nice, the price is reacting, which is good. Where is crude oil? So we got this space right here to enter the trade long position. One to two. Oh, come on. Hurry up. Points, value, send. David, which imbalance, David? Which imbalance? Okay, trade is placed. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Take profit probably a little bit lower because this is top edge over this rotation channel. So let's leave it. Okay, I'm gonna put that in trading journal. Okay, let's have a look, David. 1 second. Which one? This one here? No, it's not done. This is not done. This one maybe yes. This area. I'm gonna set the order in the second, okay, guys? Let's put that in trading journal. From M1. No, I don't go to M1, guys. If we're gonna go to M1, yeah, maybe. No, still. Look, still go to imbalance here. Here and here. Okay. Add new trade. I buy strategy. Okay, let's say SAP. Lot size. It's 125. Profit. We're trying to get how much? Not 125. 1 second. 1594. Okay. 94 profit. We're trying to get $4,144.40. Open price is 62.79, and the take profit is 63.05. Today is the 18th, 26th. Open time. Let's open it. So $9.41. Close time, not sure. I'm gonna leave it like this. Stop loss is for 19 pips. Take profit is or live sessions, today's 18th, crude oil. This is the trading plan. Let's save it. First trading plan for today saved. I'm gonna save another two. This is the trading plan. Let's add euro and GBP. Euro, we want to go buy. Strategy, basic buy. Lot size, not sure yet, so I'm gonna put this random. $1,000 open price, not sure yet. Sorry. We're gonna change that later. Okay, doesn't matter for now. 18/02/2026 open time, not sure, not sure, not sure, and this one not sure. Risk probably 0.25. Okay, choose file, Euro USD. This is trading plan, save trade. Let's another one. Let's add another one, GBP USD. Buy strategy, basic buy, lot size. Not sure now. Profit $5,000. Gonna change that later. It doesn't matter for now. Okay, open time. We don't know yet. Not sure, and this one not sure. Risk 0.25 probably. Okay, choose file. GBP USD. Open. Save trade. Good. Okay, what's going on? Okay, price slowly going up. We are somewhere around entry zone. It's okay. We don't need too much, guys. We need 26 pips. So 2 free candles and we're gonna be good. All right. Let's check you. Oh, I told you we're gonna set order on gold. Yes, we need to do that. 1 second. AI volume. So we're gonna do it here, probably right in this place. 38.2 is gonna be good area, probably. Where is gold? Gold is here. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna try to set order on here and the other one here. So I'm gonna set 2 orders, okay? Pending order, risk mode. Points percent. This one's gonna be 0.1 because risk to reward is pretty good. Points, we'll see, probably 100 pips. Let's have a look. Position. No, it can be 50 pips, guys. Smaller one, 50 pips. Bit tight. But it should work anyway. And take profit will be for $5,000. We can get much more because if the price action is gonna work and we're gonna have pullback here, we can go much higher. So later on, we're gonna decide if we want to get more of this trade We will see. Okay, for now it can be like this, small stop loss. One to five risk, two rewards. Just want to make sure. Yes. There's just candle here. Just a little bit lower. Okay. 1000. Okay, buy limit. Okay, order is set, and the other one is gonna be here. In case this one will not work, if the price will break through, another one's gonna be here. Okay. So two orders are set, guys. After 1-to-1, I usually set break even on these orders, okay? Because if the price will get here after 1-to-1, so if we're gonna get somewhere here, break even. The same here, break even, okay? So we need to look at that. All right. So we got two orders. Price is slowly dropping down, which is good. I'm gonna set. I'm gonna save this plan. Pending orders. Okay, and let's save that. Add new trade. This is gold. XRUSD. Buy strategy. Okay, lot size. I know the lot size. $131. Profit of $5,000. Open price. I'm gonna put the first one, okay? Later we're gonna change it if the second one will activate. Close price is 493075. Is 18/02/2026. Open time not sure, so I'm gonna change that later. Okay, stop loss is for 58 pips. Take profit is for 320. Risk 0.1. Use hold trading plan, and let's save it. Okay, so we got four different plans for today, guys. This one is still in the game. We can check where the price is moving. Oh, they coming back down. Oh no. That is unexpected, guys. Oh, shit. That is no good. This area need to save us. Because this is support zone, so we should bounce basically. That's why I've set stop loss over here, but yeah, we are close to the stop loss on this one. Come on. We stop at support resistance, so basically we should bounce from it, but you never know. It should save us. Okay. The matter, guys. If we're gonna break through, I want to jump out from this position anyway, because there is a chance we're gonna drop down if we're gonna break through this support zone. Okay, come back to this one. If we're gonna have stop loss, we're gonna have stop loss. What can we do, guys? All right. Do we have stop loss or not? Because the price dropped very close. Looking bad, so last chance for us to go up. But the price is breaking through the support zone. It doesn't look too good. Maybe stop loss a bit too tight. It's closed. Shit, that's no good. That is no good. Not the best start for the day. Maybe the stop loss was too tight a little bit. Maybe it's supposed to be like this, but it doesn't matter anymore. Crude oil. Count the statistics. That's no good, guys. Just before end of the session. That is no good. Anyway, I don't mind. I'm ready for the stop losses, guys. So where is the price going? Look at this crude oil. If we're gonna break through, there is a chance we can look for some short opportunities, but you know, now it doesn't matter. I'm gonna have to make a new plan. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna finish session. I've added the trade to the trading journal, the stop loss. It's right here. And we're gonna move to Discord channel. We're gonna have another session on our Discord channel. So, guys, for now, that's it. We're gonna have another session later on at 2 p.m. So that's it. That's it, guys. Thank you for now. I will see you later. And in a second, we're going to start session on our Discord channel. So thank you, guys, and good luck. Take care, guys.